Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 1, we prepped and coated our chicken with that delicious Parmesan crust. Now it's time to cook it up and serve a dish everyone will love. Serving suggestions for Parmesan chicken. Parmesan chicken shines when paired with the right sides and sauces. Each bite should balance textures and flavors. Whether you crave classic Italian-inspired pairings or fresh twists, here's how to make every plate satisfying. Best side dishes. Keep it simple or get creative. The best sides add contrast to the crispy, savory chicken. Pasta. A light angel hair aglio e olio or creamy fettuccine Alfredo lets the Parmesan chicken take center stage. Salads. A crisp Caesar salad or arugula with shaved Parmesan and balsamic cuts through the richness. Roasted vegetables. Try garlicky roasted asparagus, zucchini, or bell peppers for a smoky sweet touch. Mashed potatoes. Velvety mashed potatoes with a hint of garlic anchor the meal. Risotto. Creamy lemon risotto adds elegance without overpowering. For a low-carb option, spiralized zucchini noodles or a charred Brussels sprout salad work beautifully. Sauce pairings. A drizzle of sauce can elevate Parmesan chicken from great to unforgettable. Marinara. The acidity balances the richness. Warm it with a pinch of red pepper flakes for heat. Alfredo. Double down on creaminess with a homemade or high-quality jarred version. Lemon butter sauce. Brightens the dish with just butter, lemon juice, and fresh herbs. Pesto. Basil or sun-dried tomato pesto adds a vibrant, herbal kick. Skip heavy sauces if you prefer lightness. A squeeze of lemon works wonders on its own. Wine pairings. A well-chosen wine enhances the meal. White. Pinot Grigio or Chardonnay, unoaked, complements the dish's richness. Red. Light-bodied options like Barbera or Sangiovese won't overpower the flavors. Rosé. Dry rosé bridges the gap between red and white for versatile pairing. Tip. Match the wine to your sauce. Buttery Alfredo calls for a fuller white, while tomato-based marinara pairs well with medium reds. Nutritional benefits of Parmesan chicken. Parmesan chicken isn't just delicious, it's packed with nutrients that make it a solid choice for a balanced meal. Lean protein, essential vitamins, and healthy fats come together in this dish, especially if you bake or air fry it. Let's break down what makes it a smart addition to your weekly menu. Key nutrients in Parmesan chicken. Each serving delivers a mix of macros and micronutrients. High-quality protein. A 3-ounce cooked chicken breast provides about 26 grams, supporting muscle repair and keeping you full longer. Calcium. Thanks to Parmesan, you get 200,300 milligrams per ounce, strengthening bones and teeth. B vitamins. Chicken is rich in B6 and niacin, which help convert food into energy. Healthy fats. Olive oil, if pan-fried, adds monounsaturated fats, good for heart health. Iron and zinc. Crucial for immunity and oxygen transport in the blood. Skip heavy cream sauces or excessive oil, and this dish stays lean without losing flavor. Healthier variations. Love Parmesan chicken but want lighter options? Small tweaks keep the crunch without the guilt. Almond flour instead of breadcrumbs. Adds a nutty flavor and boosts protein while cutting carbs. Air frying over deep frying. Uses 80% less oil but still delivers a crispy crust. Greek yogurt dip. Swap mayo-based sauces for yogurt mixed with garlic and herbs. Baking on a wire rack also lets excess fat drip off, keeping calories in check. Balancing the meal. Pair Parmesan chicken with fiber-rich veggies or a whole grain side to round out the nutrients. Think roasted broccoli, quinoa, or a spinach salad. The combo keeps blood sugar steady and adds antioxidants. Freshly grated Parmesan packs more flavor than pre-shredded, so you'll need less for the same payoff. Less cheese means lower sodium, bonus points if you're watching salt intake. Craving crunch? Try panko mixed with Parmesan for texture without frying. It's all about smart swaps that don't sacrifice taste. Why Parmesan chicken belongs in your recipe rotation. Parmesan chicken checks every box. Crispy, cheesy, and endlessly adaptable. It's the kind of dish that feels special without demanding hours in the kitchen. Break out of your usual chicken routine with a recipe that's reliable enough for weeknights but impressive enough for guests. The ultimate comfort food upgrade. This dish turns basic chicken into something extraordinary. The golden crust delivers crunch, while the Parmesan adds a salty, nutty depth. It's comfort food with a gourmet twist. Weeknight hero. Ready in under 30 minutes with pantry staples. Universal crowd pleaser. Kids and adults both clean their plates. Leftover friendly. Toss it in salads, sandwiches, or pasta the next day. Forget dry, bland chicken. This version stays juicy inside while the crust shatters with every bite. Make it your own. The best part? You control the flavors. Add lemon zest to the breading for brightness, mix in smoked paprika for warmth, or swap half the Parmesan for pecorino for sharper taste. Tried it and loved it? Tag us with your twist. We're always hunting for new ideas. Now go grab that skillet. Your new favorite chicken dinner is waiting. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.